Playground. It's www.mikesplayground.org. It's a nonprofit fundraiser. ELM Productions. Everybody, it's so beautiful to be out here, and thank you for being here. Summertime is a song that I want to render to you all. We're gonna swing it again, y'all. So swing is like jazz, right? So if you're in a Harlem Nights, right, that movie, then low key in it.